Hi Beckman, this is Mrs. Darling, and I'm going to show you how to search online finding books in our Westland-Wilsonville School District Destiny Discover page. First of all, you want to go to the Beckman Creek School. Under the Library tab, you'll see Destiny Quest. And I'd like you to go to Exit and come over here on the left-hand side and it says Destiny Discover. And from here, I'd like you to log in, and you can log in with your Google account if you're on your Chromebook, or you can type in your email and your ID. Okay, now you're in, and you can see that we have all of our recently added books are at the top, so if you're looking for something new. Our most popular titles, which is the most frequently checked out books. And then you can browse by topic. Our ebook collection, which is part of our Overdrive books. Then we have audiobooks and other links. If you are looking for something like maybe you wanted to check out Sisters and you want to see if it's in. And you can see these books all have Sisters in the title, and there it is. I can look for it there. I also can see what ebooks have Sisters in it and databases that have something about Sisters. I know I'm looking for this book, so I can click on it here and put a hold on it, or go and get it right here because I know it's in the graphic novels under the window, and it's going to be in the TEL bucket. Okay, now if I want to do some research on a nonfiction topic, I would like maybe horses. I'm going to search in the bar. These are all of our books about horses that have horses in them, and I can find them same way. They're going to be in the nonfiction section, and I'd use the call number to locate that. We also have digital short stories and novels, which probably wouldn't be very helpful for research, and we have databases, which might give us some more information. So these are all the databases we have, which gives us like World Book Online or WebPath Express. And I can look here, and now if I wanted information on like Thoroughbred or maybe an Arabian, maybe I'll do this one. I'm curious what this says. So I find something I'm interested in, and I can print it. I can read it and take notes, or I could say, no, I'm going to go back to Destiny and maybe keep looking. Now, if I do find something I like, I can put it as a favorite or add it to a collection that I'm starting. Once I can look at it first and decide this is what I want to know about. And like I said, I could add that to a favorite or a collection. This is nice because you can narrow your search down to a specific reading level or even a language if you need to. So if you read in Spanish, you can look for Spanish. It'll translate it for you. Okay, well, I know that was a short tutorial, but I think this is a really good reference for you, and it'll get you started in doing your research. One other thing I wanted to show you just before I left is back on the library page. Beckman Library, Home. You can also go to OSLIS to do your research, and it's right here. And this is a great place to research also because if you're doing animals, National Geographic Kids has a lot of great things. But if you're researching maybe like a country like Japan, you might want to go to this tutorial or this area. But I'm going to go to National Geographic Kids because I'm pretty sure they'll have things about horses there. And here I can just search for what I'm looking for at the top, or I can scroll down and look around. And here I'm going to have pictures, videos, magazine articles over here, books that I can read about horses, and I can just read them right here and turn the pages. So it's a pretty awesome resource. Again, if you wanted to look back at the sorry. Where is it? Here. I'm at Oslis again. And if I went to Kids Info Bits, this is another great place to search. You can look for animals here. And if I know exactly what I'm looking for, I can just type it into the search bar at the top. And then it has books, biographies, pictures, magazine articles, newspaper articles, all about horses. So if I wanted to look at these books, I would probably choose this one. It looks like it's the most fitting. I can have it read to me. I can print it. I can save it or download it. And I can translate it to many different languages. You can also listen to it if you want to. So this will have all kinds of information about horses on it if I was doing research there. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you guys. Thank you and have a great day.